In this, we will discuss an very important set of MCQs important for NET, SET, PhD, and assistant professor exams. So let's begin the video. So the very first question is, who among the following is associated with Z's age? Who among the following is associated with Z's age? Ernest Hemingway and Scott Fitzgerald. Scott Fitzgerald and John Dos Passos and Sherwood Anderson. And the last option is Ernest Hemingway and Sherwood Anderson. So, what will be the correct answer for this question? So, D will be the right answer. That is Ernest Hemingway and Sherwood Anderson associated with Jay's age. Next question is, who made the comment who made the comment that all modern American literature comes from one book by Mark Twain called Huckleberry Finn? Who made the comment that all modern American literature comes from one book by Mark Twain called Huckleberry Finn? Option A, Henry James. Option B, William Faulkner. Option C, Jake London. Option D, Ernest Hemingway. So, what will be the right answer for this question? And that will be option D, that is Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Hemingway will be the right option for this question. Let's move to the next question, that is letter A in the scarlet letter. Letter A in the scarlet letter stands for option A adultery, option B able, option C angel, and option D appetite. So, what will be the right option for this question? And that will be adultery, able, and angel. Adultery, able, and angel will be the right answer for this question. Now, let's move to the next question. The scarlet letter is set in. The scarlet letter is set in option A, mid 17th century, option B, the early 18th century, option C, the mid 18th century, and D, the late 18th century. So, what will be the right option for this question? That is, the scarlet letter is set in. So, the right answer for this question will be the mid 17th century. Now let's move to the next question, and that is Tennessee Williams employed technique in his play The Glass Menagerie. So Tennessee Williams employed technique in his play The Glass Menagerie is option A conventional, option B traditional, option C unconventional, and option D religious. So what will be the right answer for this question? Let's see. So option C, that is unconventional, will be the right answer for this question. So unconventional theme is applied in the play Glass Menagerie by William Tennessee Williams. Now the next question is Hester Prynne. Hester Prynne in the Scarlet Letter is a victim of option A Puritan morality, option B racialist society, option D domestic violence, and option D poverty. So Hester Prynne in the Scarlet Letter is a victim of, and the right answer for this question will be Puritan morality. Puritan morality. Question number 7. Huckleberry Finn keeps his $1,000 of money with Huckleberry Finn keeps his $1,000 of money with Aunt Shelley, option B Judge Thatcher, option C Widow Douglas, and option D Miss Watson. So what will Mr. Watson? So what will be the right answer? The right answer for this question will be option B, that is Judge Thatcher. Huckleberry Finn's Huckleberry Finn keeps his $1,000 of money with Judge Thatcher. Now let's move to the next question, and that is Henry David Thoreau's Civil Disobedience 1849 presents a critique of Henry David Thoreau. Civil Disobedience 1849 present a critique of option A Indian government, option B American government, Option C, British government, and option D, German government. So, what will be the right answer for this question? Let's see, and that will be American government. Now let's move to the next question. That is, I know he was white inside. I know he was white inside. This line appears in which novel? Option A, The Old Man and the Sea. Option B, The Adventures of the Huckleberry Finn. Option C, Moby Dick. And option 4, that is D, The Scarlet Letter. So, what will be the right answer for this question? And that is option B, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. I know he was white inside. This line appears in The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Now let's move to the last question, and that is, where does the Glass Menagerie takes place? Where does the play The Glass Menagerie takes place? Option A, Mississippi. Option B, Columbus. Option C, Ohio. And option D, St. Louis. So what will be the right answer for this question? And that will be option D, that is St. Louis. St. Louis is the correct option for this question. That is, where does the Glass Menagerie takes place? So the Glass Menagerie takes place in St. Louis. So thank you.